What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another Purvey video. So I got a package today. Well, not one package or two packages. I got 3 packages, which I'm really excited about, and I haven't opened them. Obviously, I know what it is, but I want to open it with you guys so you guys could, have the full-on experience. Because these are car parts, and these car parts, I'm going to install them really soon. So I don't have one of those crazy knives or anything, but I do have a pen. Just open this up. It's kind of hard to open it and record at the same time, but I don't have a cameraman or woman. If you're looking for a job, don't ask me because I'm broke. First of all, we have a Bama performance tune. So I had purchased one before. I honestly wasn't happy with it. I didn't like how it performed. My check engine light turned on, and I just didn't like the tune. It felt sluggish and stuff. I didn't like it. I actually made a video, but I never uploaded. But I'm gonna try it out again. Maybe it was the handheld tuner. It was wrong. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try it out again, because what I order, I really need a tune, or else my car is gonna run like crap. But at the end of the day, well, probably at the end of the year, I'll probably get a dyno tune. We'll see. But for now, I need this Bama tune. So let's open it up and check it out. So as we open this up, it's nothing new. I got in this before. It comes the tuner with the black. I actually already have one. Like I said, I ordered it before, but I didn't like it, so I returned it. This actually feels weaker than the other one. I'm gonna go look for the other one, because I think the other one was like thicker and better looking. In the box, it comes, the USB cable, the thingy, and obviously the tuner, the handheld tuner, right there. If I show you guys this right here, you guys are gonna know what I ordered. So we start with the small one. Now we're going to the medium one. And paper. Oh wait. What the hell is that? Is that an exhaust? Is that an exhaust? What is that? Some axle bags? What in the hell? I think there are some axle bags, because by the way they're shaped. Yeah. The brand is BBK, because I'm cheap and broke. But there's more right here. What? What? What the hell is that? Is that caca? You guys, I think I did a bad thing. I live in California, where smog is a pain in the butt, and I ordered some catless headers. Yes, you guys, some catless headers. Now we got this big box, which is like the size of, I don't know, half of me. Pretty excited, you guys. I'm pretty excited. Is the mic on? Alright, cool. So let's open this up. I got like some staples on it. Some big staples. Alright. Let's start hitting the gym, you guys. I'm not trying to rip the box, because I'm getting them installed in the week. Next week. So I need the box to be, perfectly fine. So I'm not trying to ruin it. You guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? Look at that. You can cut it. Take it and then take a picture. Cut it. What's in the box? Hardware. And of course, this huge, big long tube headers. Look at that. That's pretty massive. It's gonna be breathing really good, and it's gonna be really loud. Hopefully the cops don't hate on me, cause wow. Let's see how this goes, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Like I said, I'm not gonna install these till next week, so I'm gonna try take you guys with me. I'm actually getting it done at the Ford dealership. I'm gonna try to record the most I can, and since I'm getting this, obviously I gotta record a before and after exhaust note of my car. So stay tuned, cause I'll be doing a lot to my car. So hope you guys enjoy this, and like I said, stay tuned.
And I got all the drugs in the world.